Some people don't argue. They don't explain. They don't raise their voice. They stay calm. And for some reason, that calmness feels offensive. People say, he has attitude. He thinks he's better. He's cold. But psychology tells a very different story. Calm people don't trigger anger. They trigger ego. And today, we'll break down exactly why. Why calmness feels strange. The human brain is trained to expect reactions. If someone insults you, you're expected to defend yourself. If someone challenges you, you're expected to react. So when a calm person doesn't follow this pattern, the brain feels confused. And confusion quickly turns into discomfort. People don't know how to read silence. They only know how to read noise. That's where ego quietly wakes up. Ego needs validation. Ego survives on confirmation. It wants to hear, I'm right. I'm important. I matter. Reactions provide that confirmation. Anger proves influence. Arguments prove control. But calm people don't give reactions. They don't feed ego. And when ego feels ignored, it doesn't feel peaceful. It feels threatened. Silence is misinterpreted as attitude. Most people mistake silence for superiority. They assume he's quiet because he thinks he's above us. But psychology shows something else. Silence often means self-control, emotional regulation, mental discipline. Calm people aren't trying to dominate. They're trying to protect their peace. But insecure minds see peace as provocation. Why insecure people feel attacked? Insecurity constantly looks for comparison. It asks, am I enough? Do I matter here? When someone stays calm, doesn't seek approval, doesn't compete, it exposes insecurity. Not intentionally. Just naturally. That's why ego reacts. Because calm confidence reflects inner weakness. The inner reaction problems. Ego expects resistance. When it doesn't get it, it feels powerless. So it tries harder. It labels calm people as rude, arrogant, full of attitude. These labels are defenses. They protect ego from accepting a painful truth: not everyone needs validation. Why calm people are often targeted. Calm people don't advertise strength. They don't interrupt. They don't dominate conversations. So people assume they're easy targets. But when ego tries to provoke them and still gets no reaction, it feels humiliated. That's why calm people are often criticized, gossiped about, or misunderstood. Silence feels uncontrollable. And ego hates what it can't control. The difference between attitude and control. Attitude is loud. Control is quiet. Attitude demands attention. Control doesn't need it. Psychologically, people with real power don't rush to prove it. Calmness is not absence of emotion. It's mastery over it. And mastery makes ego uncomfortable. Why calm people walk away? Calm people don't avoid conflict because they're weak. They avoid it because they understand cost. Energy. Time. Peace. They know arguments don't build strength. They expose insecurity. So they walk away. Not because they lost, but because they refuse to play. The real reason. If your calmness makes others uncomfortable, don't explain yourself. Your silence isn't arrogance. Your calmness isn't attitude. It's emotional intelligence. Ego seeks reactions. Confidence doesn't need them. And remember this: calm people don't trigger anger. They trigger ego.